Hi everyone, here we've got a GIGASET GS190 and let me share with you how to enable developer options on this device. So actually, firstly we have to activate them, so let's enter the settings. Here we have to scroll down to the very bottom and tap on the system, and here let's tap on about phone. Now we have to scroll down to the very bottom and find this software version number, and here we have to keep tapping on it until we will see that we are in a developer mode, just like that. Now we can go back and tap on advanced in the system settings, and at the very bottom we've got developer options, so let's tap on it. And as you can see here, we've got plenty of advanced options which we can customize. So for example, we can change the window animation scale, we can show surface updates. Here we've got some options which are connected to the Bluetooth, and so on and so on. So we've got a lot of options to customize, to have fun with. So in order to turn on the feature, just tap on the switcher on it, and as you can see, it is immediately activated and applied. Obviously you can turn it off the same way, just by tapping on the switcher. If you can see the option without the switcher, like here in the window animation scale, just tap on it in order to open much more advanced settings. So if you are done with customization of developer options, just tap on the switcher here in order to turn them off. Okay, right now they are off, and as you can see, most of those options are inactive. So after getting back, you can also see that the developer options disappear, but no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. So actually that's all. This is how to enable developer options in your GIGASET GS190. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.